Alright, just curious. Let's see what we got here. Take the old cover off of the old stove. So, I don't know, there's no corrosion on these. I may just reuse this plug. That's the right power rating, as I'm sure they're all standard. So I think we'll just reuse this one. So what I'm gonna do, somewhere over here, in this mess, I've got a head, a marker, and that's probably out in the garage. I don't have any tape or anything in here. Alrighty, I'm gonna go find something to mark those wires with so I know what color goes to where. Actually, let's do this. So I've got a red, black, and white. Those two probably stay. So let's go over to the new stove. Red, white, black. Where'd that little screw go? Right over there. Okay, 2 screws, red, white, and black. So, let's give this a try. If we just remove the old one. Sure. They're on there good. Need a ratchet. The extension and the ratchet in the socket. Kitty cat. Put the socket on the adapter, and the adapter on the extension, and the extension on the ratchet. Get it just spin the right way. It's not going to want to go. There we go. Try to keep the subject in the camera. While holding the flashlight as well. Okay. So that is the red. This is the neutral. This is the black. Before we take that off, let's go back over here. We have fasteners in the... I do. So... back and forth. The new screws off the red one. Excuse me, off the new stove. rid of the old one. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, there's a retainer under there. Okay. Now what do I need? Things like a Phillips to undo the retainer. Do I have a Phillips bit? Probably not. Does not look like it. Okay. Pause the camera. I'm going to go out to the garage, get a screwdriver now.